Golden milk has a lot of good properties for your health. Turmeric is fantastic. It's a known anti-inflammatory, a known anti-carcinogen, a known antibacterial. It's good for your joints, good for, controlling diabetes. It's good for helping you boost your immune system. It's a great antioxidant for your brain. I consume it every day. Actually, in the mornings, what I'll do is in my French press, I put coffee, cinnamon, turmeric, a little black pepper, and water. Press it. Oh, I love it. But anyway, back to the subject. This is great to have right before you go to bed or during the day. It's soothing, it's calming, and it's good for you. These days, we need to boost our immune system. I'm gonna make enough golden milk for one person right now, okay? You can double, triple, whatever you want this recipe. So I have 1¼ cups of almond and coconut mixed milk here. I found that in the market. By the way, you can use any milk you want, including cow milk. But I'm gonna keep it plant-based today. This is 300 milliliters. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger and 3/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric. We'll put a little bit of black pepper in there. We need the black pepper so that the body will absorb that curcumin. So now I'm gonna add 1½ teaspoons of coconut oil. And some sweetener. I'm gonna use honey. You can use maple syrup or nothing. If you don't want sweetener, don't put any. I'm just gonna put like 1/2 teaspoon of honey in this. So now we're just going to mix this and stir it until it starts simmering, and then we can enjoy it. All right, this, my friends, is ready for us to enjoy. A cup of goodness. It goes down easily. It is very, very, as I said, soothing. I hope you make this.